The beauty of her phrasing and the coloration of her sound are nothing less than a musical marvel. When she sings with me, I hear notes I never even knew existed before.
Mr. Bing said, Leontine, we have a bit of news for you. You have been chosen by us and by Samuel Barber to open the new Metropolitan Opera House. I thought I was going to die.
I'm grateful to God for this privilege, this honor. I am exhilarated beyond belief and excited completely out of my skin. I am also excited too, Mr. Bing, because tonight my hometown, Laurel, Mississippi, is now connected with our broadcast, and this makes me so proud of them. I cannot possibly tell you.